Hello everyone, welcome on board. This is Waruo Photography here, and just the other day my client called me. She wanted some tough curtain rods and some really heavy duty curtains. So I went down to Matches Deco in Ruiru and got the rods for her and made sure that they were installed properly. Later on we went to Isli and got these very heavy curtains that were in the shades of dark blue and dark orange. The dark blue was to blend with the walls because the walls are cyan in color I mean. They are cyan in color, and the orange was to blend with the chairs, with the seats that she has. So we put them together up. At some point it got very hectic to do it, so we had to put it from where the rod is already up. So we did that and installed it. So that's how to properly put your curtains. If you put curtains in that way, the way I've taught you, your house will be looking amazing, just like this one. Let's take a tour. She has a very elegant house. She has an elegant house. The TV molding has been done with gypsum and then has been painted blue, the cyan blue, and then the edges have the emerald green color. It looks so good. It's so spacious for a massive TV, very massive TV. Even an 85-inch can be accommodated. The shelves have been put there. You can put flower vases. You can put maybe portraits, pictures, art deco. You can put some flowers over there. It's a versatile place. It can be put many things over there just to make the house look even more elegant. Like already it is elegant, but you can add some more elegance onto it. As you walk down the corridor, you realize that the walls have also been painted in the light shade blue, the cyan color, and then they have been adorned with this thing called wainscoting. This wainscoting, they're just type of gypsum that looks very elegant, especially if they are installed correctly. They look so good. They make your walls have something. They make your wall pop because they contrast with the color of the wall. Like for her, she made sure that they were painted white. So when cyan contrasts with white, it looks so nice. So nice. The wainscoting gives your eyes something to watch as you go down the corridor or you climb up the stairs. You get, as you climbing up the stairs, your eyes have something to look. They have something to follow. It's not just a plain wall. But there's something that you can continue as you climb up or you go down. There's something you can follow. Your eyes have something to see, and that makes your house look so elegant and not so boring. Plain colors can be boring at some time, especially when you get used to them. Plain colors can be boring, so you break the monotony of plain colors by installing wainscoting. If you have realized, even her lights, they blend nicely with the seats and the curtains because they are orange in color, so they blend nicely. I think she has a taste for blue and orange. For example, check this out. The walls are blue, light blue, the cyan blue. The curtains that we've installed, they are dark blue, a shade of very dark blue. And even the snake lights that goes in, the LED lights, they are also blue. The combination of these blues makes the house look so nice, so amazing. I love it. Then she takes the blue and breaks it up with either white or orange and emerald green. The white is on the ceilings and wainscotings. The orange is on the curtains and the lights. And the emerald green is on the TV. From this end, I've been your host, Waruo Photographist, as we do the best of the curtains and curtain rods. And until the next one, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends, tell your friends about Waruo Vloggz, and see you in the next one. Until the next then, peace.